Hey everyone. So in a previous video, I talked about my tech setup, and what I want to do is delve into that a little bit more. So I talked about the fact that I use a gyroscopic head mouse to control the pointer. So as you can see, as I move my head, this little mouse cursor is moving on the screen, and it's this little thing in the side of my ear that controls that. Problem is, out of the box, it's not very precise. And if you're going to do very precise work, I found it just wasn't good enough. So what I'm able to do now is very precise work. So if you're in something like CAD software and you wanted to, design a new part, I could, very quickly do that. I'll just create something basic. There you go. And so very quickly and very accurately, you're able to work with the mouse to create different parts. So how do I do this? I had to write my own software. I created this little software called AccessiMouse, and it just sits up here. It runs at login. And what this allows me to do is very finely adjust the pointer acceleration and the pointer speed. I've got some help notes in here about which one's which. So what does acceleration do versus what does speed do? And by adjusting these, you can really finely dial in, how much precise control you get. Because I use a big 32-inch screen, I need the mouse to move very quickly without moving my head too far. But then when I slow down, I need it to be very precise. So this app allows me to dial that in. And I've got a little about section and, wrong app. So here's a little bit about my story and a link to my Instagram page, which is over here. And this is the previous video. There's no hands, no limits, which I talk about the tech setup. So anyway, I'm making this app available on the App Store for free, and anyone that needs it. I think it would help people who use a regular mouse or, a trackball or a gyroscopic mouse like I do.